So sometimes whenever you're typing out text, there may be a certain symbol that you may not know how to type. In that case, you can actually go around over here onto the symbol menu as the text is selected right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and add in special characters as you wish from the list right here. For example, you can go ahead and type in this and you got a symbol right here just like this. Similarly, you can see that this is inserted as a text right here. So you can go for serial number right here just like this. So you can go ahead and add in these type of symbols as you need. You can see that there's like different symbols right here as well. And you can even see mathematical symbols as you can see right here. And then you can even go ahead and see arrow symbols right here just like this, and even graph symbols as you need right here. So there's different sort of symbols that you can actually go ahead and add in from over here as you need it. Just like this, and they are inserted out as text, and you can go ahead and format them out as text right here just like this as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and choose required symbol in slide inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.